in a few minutes. But email automation, guys, if you guys are not searching that keyword, you guys are missing out. So a lot of new companies and big companies are actually posting jobs for email developers as email automation. Okay, do not get scared about this keyword. It might seem like it's something completely different. Look at the job description. Okay, it's pretty much being an email developer. The thing is that some companies are now using this keyword as a way to differentiate between email marketing specialists, which usually has to do with like setting up, you know, some of the campaigns, right? For like smaller companies. But now the big companies are using email automation. So if you guys are not applying to those jobs, you guys are missing out. It's pretty much HTML, CSS. It's nothing out of this world. It's not like you're doing something completely different. You're doing HTML emails, okay? You're pretty much setting up the automations of it, which is the same thing that you've been doing as an email developer. But now bigger companies are actually going in and using that keyword. Okay. One of the main companies that I'm seeing that is using that is Shopify. Some of these jobs are paying anywhere from $95,000 to $170,000. So you guys need to pay attention to this, especially if you have been doing emails and you worked at a smaller company already. I think there's a great opportunity for you to go in and get into some of these fan companies and big tech companies. So pay attention, okay? I've been telling you guys, it's crazy that, back in 2017, people didn't believe me that, some of these jobs pay over $100,000, okay? Those that believe me and follow through, okay? We've been saying it, the jobs are there, okay? Yes, you could be a JavaScript expert and still can't find a job, right? But always remember that what you really need to care about is making your money, getting your bag, taking care of your family, taking care of your kids, okay? Get a bag. You could always go in and get the other roles that you want later on. Right now, it's about making money, okay? Do not be that guy that's at home punching the air and still missing out on opportunities that's here, that are simple positions, okay? Again, it's much easier for you to get into bigger roles when you already work with bigger companies. That's a fact. That's not something that I came up with. It's just the facts. If you show up at a company and say, "Hey, I work for Disney. Hey, I work for Shopify. Hey, I worked for Nike. I work for LVMH, which is the company that owns Louis Vuitton and Gucci and a whole bunch of other companies, right? And Moet and, and Hennessy, right? Right? So that company right there is big, right? You show up with that on your resume, I can guarantee you when you apply as a full stack developer, which is something that maybe you want to go and get into in the future, guess what? It's going to be a much easier transition, okay? For me, I'm just here to give out the information. For me, I'm here to help people out, and that's what we're doing. By the way, for anybody that wants to have half an hour with me, let me look at your situation. Let me see how I can help you out, right? Right now, this whole month, I'm doing free sessions, okay? You could book a session any day of the week where you could go in and say, "Hey, man, I'm available this date. Joe, are you available?" Boom. Let's do it, okay? All you have to do is go to CodingPhase.com, and then from there, click on book a call. And I'll go in and I'll sit down with you, just like how I'm about to have a meeting right now with somebody at 12 p.m. So we got 9 minutes before I go into this meeting. But I wanted to put this information out because I think a lot of you guys are missing out on this opportunity. And again, this is something that I'm something like I would do. You know what I'm saying? Like even I'm going in and saying, "Hey, if I was gonna go and work at any company right now, to be honest with you, I don't want to do full stack development for anybody, right? Because it's a lot of work, right? To me, it doesn't make a difference if I earn $100,000 or I earn 120 being a full stack developer. Like I wouldn't even care. What I care about is making money, right? And taking care of my family, taking care of my kids. So if you're just like me, that's what you want to do, right? Make your life easy, right? If you're seeing that there's a lot of competition, a lot of people inside of a specific role, right? A lot of people are going for a specific role. Guess what? Make your life easy so you could go in and make money, okay? This is not the moment for you guys to really just be like, well, I'm just waiting for the dream job. Bro, F the freaking dream job. The dream job is going to come when it comes. Right now, it's about making your bag. Let me see. Shout out to everybody in here. MTS Ahmed, Kyle Smith. Shout out to you guys. Bro, tripping. Thank you for sharing the coupon code, bro. We need to get you an affiliate link, my guy, so you could get paid, get a bag for sharing the links. Okay. Brand says, "Yo, is this the Joe Rogan podcast?" Sorry, I'm lost today. This is the Joe. This is the Joe show. Just a random dude with a hat on. You know what I mean? Trying to help people out, get into the game, make some money in tech, and that's it. Let me see. I do Reggie says, get that bag first. Yes. Henry Cole says, hey, did you get my email yesterday? I'm going to check it out after I have this meeting. I have a meeting with a subscriber, somebody who booked a call at 12 p.m. And then from there, I'm going to go in and go through my emails. Early in the morning, what I do is I go in and I start trading. Like today was a beautiful day. We made $2,700 in the stock market. Thank God, right? Because I've had a couple of bad days, but yeah, today was a good day. Yeah, that's what I'm doing early in the morning, and then I'll come here at like at 11, 12 o'clock to do a live stream. Then from there, I start my day off with things that I have to do to CodingPhase, and then after that, I start working on my side projects that I'm doing. Okay, reading through here. Sup, man? Yeah, I only got like 6 minutes left, so whatever questions you guys have, put it in here so I could go in and answer it. I learned I'm a nice to people, no point in explaining to those who they're not never listening to. Anyways, yeah. Let me see. Most steps says custom email automation with AI agents or popular platforms. Most of these companies, they have tools like Salesforce, right? Email automation is the same thing as email development, HTML emails, right? It's just a different title. I keep telling you guys this. There's a lot of different companies that just use different titles for different positions, okay? It just sounds fancier. You're going email automation, but that's the same thing that we've been doing for years as email developers. It's not like it's nothing out of this world. It's the same exact same thing, okay? Henry Cole says, cool. That profitable developer course is fire, bro. Yes, please, guys. I'm telling you guys right now, yeah, I have around, what, we about to go into May? I don't know, what's today? Today's the 1st, I think. Guys, y'all have until the end of this month. Whoever didn't sign up and pre-purchase the profitable developer, right now is 75% off. Go take it. For those of you guys that are diamond members already or planning on becoming a diamond member, you have this month. After this month, that course gets taken out of CodingPhase.com and gets put on its own website, and it's being sold by itself. It's $1,000. I'm basically giving you guys the whole game on how to make money independently as a developer. And I said, you know what? All the people that's been with me on CodingPhase, I'm gonna give you guys access to it free. But whoever didn't take it, you missed out on it, okay? I go and cover how to go in and actually get clients on Fiverr, Upwork, right? I give you the task, the things that you have to do. I tell you what's the task management tool that you should use so you could put everything in order. And then from there, I give you exactly all the strategies on how to go in and make money with freelancing online, freelancing locally, right? And now we're going into, basically we did the digital products. Now we're going into the marketing side of things. And then from there is software as a service. How to find the right software as a service idea or project idea so you could go in and start making money with it. Okay, this is how I've been able to make money for the last 10 plus years independently. Okay, when you see me here and you be like, how is this guy? It's 12 o'clock. You know, this is how I used to think. Yo, it's 12 o'clock. This guy should be at work. This guy should be at this, and that. Guys, there's a reason I set myself up in this situation, right? It's a mixture of using your skills and creating a catalog. Okay, so a catalog, what it means, it just, in a sense, it's like a multiple streams of income, right? You could freelance, you could have digital products, right? You could create software as a service, right? Some of the things that you already know, again, CodingPhase.com, that's a service that we provide, right? So it's a mixture between a digital product and a service that we provide. We have entry-level jobs. We got over 1,000 paying customers on that, okay? That's already moving. All right, that's already moving. We just launched that earlier this year. By the end of this year, that's gonna be around 3,000, 4,000. You do the math. How much is that? 7 times 3. You do the math on that. You get what I'm saying? How is it that I'm able to do that? Okay, I'm trying to teach you guys the game. But if you don't want it, then all you could do is just watch from the bleachers while some of us come in and make some bags. Shout out to Sean McLimmon, one of the students here. He's waiting for a couple of sections on the course. He's dying to get the advertisement section, right? It's just, I've been adding a couple of things and tweaking it, but it's gonna be there, by June 1st. Basically, is the whole course is going to be completed, and then that's full price. Whoever didn't buy it is full price. I don't care who comes to me like, yo, Joe, let me get that. No, it's full price, bro. I'm giving you 10 plus years and knowledge that cost me thousands and thousands of dollars. Okay, if you want it and you want to get results, I'm going to teach you the game. Okay, if you don't want it, guess what? Stay broke and stay doing whatever you was doing, right? And keep doing whatever you're doing, and hopefully that works out for you. But for those of you guys that want it, take the profitable developer course right now on codingphase.com. Start taking it because it's free. I'm giving it to you guys for free at first. You get what I'm saying? For those of you guys that's already diamond members, whoever didn't take it, it's a wrap after June 1st. So you have from now to June 1st to go through the course. You're basically watching the course as we are building it and adding new sections, okay? And you could pre-order it. If you want it, you could pre-order it. 75% off right now. Just send me an email. I'll send you the link. CodingPhase@gmail. I'll send you the link directly because I don't even have it here. You could buy it for 75% off. If not, guess what? Whenever you do want it in the future, it could be a year from now, 2 years from now, 5 years from now, when you realize that, shit, you need to start making money independently, then you're still going to come back because there isn't nobody else who does what I do here on YouTube, right? There's a lot of people that make money. There's a lot of people that do what they do, but they're not doing it like I do it. You get what I'm saying? So definitely come through. Somebody says, get on to that call. Yes, we're about to hop on the call. Hopefully the person shows up. You know how sometimes, and shout out to Jeffrey. Jeffrey, shout out to you, Jeffrey. We're about to go hop on that Zoom call. So I hope that you show up because I hate that. I hate when sometimes people come in, they book a call, and then they don't show up. I'm like, bro, don't do that because you're taking time away from people, okay? But definitely it's going to be pretty interesting. What platform do you use for trading stocks, Joe? Webull. Webull, simple. You could do it on your phone. You could do it on your desktop. You could basically trade from anywhere. I woke up this morning at 4 o'clock in the morning, put my trades. What's the name of the stock? Is UCAR. Damn, I forgot the name. It's an Indian company. You know, right now, India is moving. India and the United States is doing a lot of trade. So pay attention to the Indian companies, okay? So guess what? That shit went from $3 to $18. I got out at 17. You do the math on that, okay? Let's just say that it was nice. And I should have done a bigger move. I should have put more money into it, but it was 4 o'clock in the morning, so I needed to go to sleep. If I would have went in there and I would have said, you know what, let's put $10,000 in it, it would have been nice. It would have been like a shit. I mean, think about it. It's $4, right? I would have flipped it to 8. That's, that's 100%. 12 would have been 200%. 16 would have been 300%. All right, I went in small. I went in small and I still made $2,700. This is why you got to pay attention to trading, guys. I'm telling you guys right now, if you're not paying attention to that, I don't know what you're doing. It's like free money. If you know how to do it right, it's free money that you could get, okay? So anyways, guys, definitely I'm gonna see you guys later. It's your boy Joe back at it again, codingphase.com. Please check out codingphase.com, guys. If you want to support me in any type of way or you want to come in and learn from me, guys, you got to go to CodingPhase.com. That's the way, okay? I put all my all into making sure that my students get everything that they need to have and make sure that they succeed. No one else is doing that. I mean, think about it like this. Who the hell will sit down with you for half an hour and talk to you? No one. No one here on YouTube will do that. Who the hell will show up every Monday, do 2 hours with you, make sure that you are in the right path, going in through your projects, going into the skills that you have, giving you the right plan so you could succeed? Who's going to do that for you? Who's going to go in and create a platform and pay employees to search for jobs so you could go in and get a job faster? Who's going to do that for you? Who's going to come in and go in and pay money to test out different resume templates to make sure that when he goes in and creates a resume builder for you, it basically gets you through the ATS bots? Who's going to do that for you? People's going to come in and give you a $10, $20 course and say good luck and give you a little pat in the back. I don't do that. I want to make sure that my students come in and they get success, okay? If you don't believe me, ask Henry, ask all the guys that's been here. Bro Trippin's been here since, for years. Renee's that's in here, he's been here for years. He knows what I do. A lot of the guys in here know what I do, okay? So definitely come check it out. All right. Also, too, this week I'm gonna start doing a couple of interviews, live streams with a lot of the students and people that have came through Coding Phase. We're gonna do a series called "Where Are They Now?" Basically, showing and highlighting people that came in, like, let's say 2017. Where the hell they at now? People that came in 2018, 2019. Where are they now? How their career has gone, how their lives has changed. Shout out to Kevin Mosley, super senior Shopify developer, work with big brands, still killing it out here. Now even teaches people in the military. These are people that came from CodingPhase.com. Taylor Alexis, even though she never mentions CodingPhase.com, shout out to her, right? She's lit. She's a social media influencer. She's a cybersecurity expert, right? She came from Coding Phase. There's a lot of people that came from Coding Phase. You know what I'm saying? Where are they now? That's the whole point. Okay. Shout out to Ruby. Shout out to DJ Norris. Shout out to Wally. A lot of people came through CodingPhase.com. Why? Because this random dude with a hat on just knows what the hell he's doing. I'm telling you guys, okay? I'll see you guys later. Go to CodingPhase.com. I'll see you guys. All right? I got this meeting. Bye.